will walk you through the report. Here click on the reports by selecting the report icon present on the right side of the page. Click on the report icon. Here agent login, logout history and agent overall performance to report are displayed. So here date, agent name, extension, login on, logout, last call start, last call ended, login time ready and break time option are available. Here login and logout history of the agent is display. If user want to see the data of particular date of any agent, so he can enter the to date and the from date and click on the search button to see the particular date data or report. Next one is agent overall performance. Here date, team name, offered, answer, abdon, answered agent, number of agent, average stock time, answer rate, abdon rate, service level, etc. column are available. If user want to see the particular date data, so he can enter to and from date and click on search button. If user want to today, daily, weekly or monthly report of any particular agent, so he can select one of them and click on search button. And if user want to find the data of particular agent, any other option like select IVR, select campaign or select campaign type, etc. So he can fill the all details and click on the search button to see the data. Here we can log in through the agent, and one is the supervisor agent module. So there is a minor difference in both of the reports. This is if we can log in with the agent panel, so only report should be display of that particular agent, and if we have login with the this is a supervisor panel. So if we have login with the supervisor agent, so we can have see the report of the supervisor and all the agent which is under to this supervisor. All report will be displayed here. Thank you.